How to make Mailchimp's pop-up window appear with a click. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a click within your website to show up your submitting form or your form that you have created on Mailchimp into your website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over Mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find this specific dashboard. Now we're going to create a campaign, and this campaign is going to be a sign up form. So we have the pop-up form, the embedded form, the sign up landing page. It is going to work on the embedded form because for the pop-up, it is going to be on the website directly. So if you're going to use the embedded form, I'm going to create here an embedded form, click on begin, and from here you're going to set up your fields just like that. For example, like this, and then you're going to set up the settings. As you can see here, we are going to set up all the settings. We have here the tags. You can put the tags that you want, and we can add the referral badge, as you can see. Now we are going to click on continue. We are going to get a code, and this is an HTML code. Click on copy code. Now we are going to head over our website that we want to add the specific form for. So I'm basically here going to have the form integrated within the website. For example, I'm going to add the form in here. So we are going to click on add elements. From this add elements, we are going to have a code or an embedded code or an embedded element. So this is going to be the case. I'm going to refresh the page real quick, so it is going to be buggy a little bit. So we are going to add the elements again. I'm going to head over the embed code, click on it, and then we are going to have the embed HTML. I'm going to put this a little bit bigger. So we are going to make it like the whole screen like this. Then we are going to paste our code that we have got from Mailchimp. As you can see, just like that, click on update. We are going to see the form updated. So I have made a little bit of an extension or set up the form. So I'm going to have this whole column as the right form. So I'm not going to need anyway the stretching bar or the scrolling bar in here. Now what we're going to do is to click on the contact or the name of the section. We're going to make sure that we have at least the anchor in here, which is going to be named like that. I'm going to have here not contact but sign up form. Now what we're going to do is to head over here. Maybe I'm going to click or add another button from here. So I'm going to click on buttons, click on elements, add a button. So I'm going to have this button added. What can we do is to click on settings. You can go ahead and change the icon for the button, and then we are going to link it. Basically, we are going to link it to a section or an anchor. The page, we are going to choose the page where you are going to have it from. So basically, it is going to be internal, external page, whatever. We're going to have the section of the sign up form. Click on done, and we are going to have it just like that. I'm going to let you see it. We have some other solutions that we can go ahead and implement this specific pop-up, but it will take a little bit of time and it is going to be a little bit complicated and waste some of the time. So I highly recommend for you that you're going to link the button to your section. So click on button. You're going to find that it will pop up just like that. So click again, take you right away. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.